Today we will be making some jerk chicken, Jamaican style. Jerk involves cooking the meat over slow fire after it's been marinated with a special herbs and spices. Jerk originated in Jamaica and was perfected by the Maroons, who were runaway slaves. There are many health benefits of eating jerk chicken. The ingredients contains various vitamins and minerals, and the spices are known to reduce inflammation. Adding natural seasoning improves the flavor of the jerk and the health benefits as well. Scotch bonnet is a key ingredient and is responsible for the heat in the jerk. Pimento is also another key ingredient in jerk, and it adds a distinct flavor to the dish. You can use dry or wet jerk seasoning, which can be purchased at the store. I like to use both, but today I will be using the dry jerk seasoning, which I will mix with the natural seasonings. I will also add all-purpose seasoning and garlic powder. Mix your seasonings well and then prepare the chicken to be marinated. I like to add some all-purpose seasoning and garlic powder to the chicken before I add the jerk seasoning. Massage the seasoning into the meat. After seasoning the chicken, cover the container and let it sit to marinate. The flavors are best when marinated overnight. Jerk improves the flavor of food and it reduces the fat content. It can also be used on seafood and vegetables. It's a great way to prepare your food. Now, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and family. Jerk is frequently served with festival but can be eaten with rice and peas or any other side dish. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check out the little bonus clip at the end of this video.